I got this carbon cabin air filter from eBay, and it's an aftermarket one, and it does save me some money over a Toyota OEM genuine one. Does the same thing anyway. Carbon also provides protection from pleasant odors. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and get it in. Comes with instructions, but you know what? Who needs that for this simple job? First thing you want to do is unlatch this bottom part, and then go ahead and pull it out from the side. It comes out really easily if you pull out the bottom part first. Set it aside. Next thing you want to do is take out this little door. Just lift up. Comes right out. Be careful not to break anything. A little tight in there. Next you'll see two tabs, left and right. It's a little tight, so I'll be doing it one at a time since I'm holding the camera. Push down on left, push down on right, and then you can just yank it up and pull it out. Best to pull it out from the center tab, just like this. Gotta wiggle it a little bit maybe. Now the old filter itself is not too dirty, as you can see. Some debris here and there, but it's mainly just kind of smelly. That's why I'm changing it. The new filter has an airflow indicator, so make sure you match the orientation of the filter according to the filter holder. Both of them have arrows pointing up. And this is important so you can get the airflow correct. Once you have the filter back onto the holder, just slide it back in like the way you took it out. Push down, you hear 2 clicks for the 2 tabs. Now for that little door. This part can be a little tricky because of the tight space of the glove box. Pretty damn annoying, right? Alright, and now the tray. First the side, and then you'll push the base down. Thanks for watching.